Hello, my name is Polem Ajit Singh. I read in class 6A, roll number 30, Ramakrishna Mission School in Fall.
Hello, my name is Dushan Taldam. I read in class 6A, roll number 9, Ramakrishna Mission School in Fall.
Hello, my name is Muhabiram. I read in class 6A, roll number 38. I study in Ramakrishna Mission School in Fall.
Hello, my name is Vikshit. I study in class 6A, roll number 28. I study in Ramakrishna Mission School in Bharat.
Hello, my name is Bharat. I read in class 6A, roll number 40, Ramakrishna Mission School in Fall.
Now we're gonna make a mini homemade vacuum cleaner for Vikshit Bharat Buildathon project.
The things we need to make this mini vacuum cleaner, homemade vacuum cleaner, are the pipe and a propeller fan, a DC motor, a switch on off button, some wires, a sellotape, a glue gun, and a cut empty bottle, the battery, filter, and a suction pipe.
Since we have done making this homemade mini vacuum cleaner, now we're going to test it. Is it actually work or not?
You can see that this mini homemade vacuum cleaner actually works.
This is the paper prototype of the vacuum cleaner which we have made. Now we are telling you a brief description about the homemade vacuum cleaner. Firstly, we put the suction pipe as a cork and then the filter, and we put handle so that we can handle by our hands, and we put battery switch and the wire that is connected to the motor and the wire, and we put holes so that the air could escape easily. And there is a pipe, propeller fan, and sellotape. We need empty bottle to make the vacuum cleaner.
And when the switch is on, the suction pipe sucks the tidy waste paper that is blocked by the filter here, so that we can remove it afterwards. And the air passes escapes through the holes at the back of the bottle.
This is a design for vacuum cleaner which we had made for the Vikshit Bharat Buildathon project. Thank you.